So we found the go-karts. Joey's really excited. He just wants to, I think he wants to do some drifting. Jericho's gonna try to pit him. And
Wait, what?
let's get on. Joey,
Yeah?
since you're the one driving with your mother, this is a test to see if you let you drive the truck when you get your license. If you pass and drive the truck, if you fail, you're not touching any of our cars. Ignore it! Step on it, dude. Well, there's Joey and Gene, they're not doing much better. Let's see if we can catch them. We're getting on him, Jericho. We're getting on him. Joey can't make the turns. Mother's probably having a fit. We're gaining. Oh, we got a car right on our ass, Jericho. They're right behind us. Oh, let's get him. Oh, keep it smooth. We got him, dude. Keep it smooth. We got him. Stay in the center, we should be able to bump them. It's alright, we're gaining on them. Gaining on them. We're almost there. We're gaining. Give it. Yeah, we got him. Woo! What do you think? That was pretty slick. A little rough ride, but it was good. You be quiet up there.
I was trying to turn!
Get back in your car. Give me a little tap.
I'm trying not to get hurt. I want to get off this thing.
Give him a tap. All right, that's enough.
Now you can't turn the vehicle because whenever you try to turn, it hits on the stupid rail.
Babe, what'd you think?
Joey's not a good driver.